Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build the food ordering feature. So first what you're going to want to do is head to the build section. And then you're going to want to click add feature. And search for the food ordering feature. Then click select. Name your feature. Then click add. Scroll down on the left side menu until you reach your feature. Under Screen Info, change your screen feature name or leave as is. This is a name that will appear in the app's feature menu, such as menu as opposed to food ordering. Under Ordering Services, click Location, then add your location. Repeat this process for each location. So first, I'm going to want to choose my time zone. You can either use the global time zone located in your settings area, or you can customize it just for this. Next, you're going to want to choose your available hours. So for this example, maybe I won't be open on Monday or Sunday, and we'll be open at 9. And let's do 10, and then we'll do earlier on Saturday. Next, you're going to want to add the email addresses that you wish to receive this location's orders. So for this example, we'll just put my business at Gmail. Next, you can either use your imported location from the contact feature or choose a custom location. So we'll do a custom location and we'll do San Francisco. This will autofill up here, but you can change this if you'd like. Then, lastly, you'll want to select your distance type in either kilometers or miles. Then click Add. You can also choose your Start Order button and choose what text your Start Order button displays. We're going to keep this as Order Now. Next, we're going to move on to Services. This is where you can select the available services. First, we're going to choose if we'd like to have a dine-in option. Toggle this off if you would not like to have a dine-in option. Next, specify if the order is available for pickup. This is available anywhere from same day to 6 days in advance. Also, specify if the order is available for delivery. This is also available for up to 6 days in advance. Next, your delivery address validation. This validates that the delivery is going to a legit address. Next is the delivery radius. Specify how far away a user can be to place an order. So we're going to put in miles, and we'll say you can be up to 5 miles away. Then you'll want to select a delivery minimum. This is the monetary value that will be added to delivery orders. So we'll say $10, and then we'll want to determine the delivery price fee. This is going to decide how much it costs to order delivery, so maybe we'll put $1, and we'll toggle it on as taxable. Next, you want to select the minimum order total for free delivery. When this total is met, the delivery fee will automatically disappear. So let's say if you order up to $20. Next is the lead time. This is the average amount of time it takes for an order to be prepared. This gives users a more accurate estimate and avoids rush orders. The lead time calculation works as follows. Let's say if the opening time is 10 a.m., then the first available ready time would be 10:15. If users choose as soon as possible, the system will take the current time and round up to the nearest 5 minutes. Next is just the convenience fee, which is the fee charged. Now we're going to move on to the payment section. You want to choose your currency first, so we're going to stick with US dollar. Then you'll want to toggle on or off the Braintree option. This is to allow users to use a card. Plug in your merchant ID, Braintree public key, and Braintree private key to have access to this feature. Toggle on cash if you would like to accept cash. Do the same with tips as well. Next, you'll want to add the tax amount to set up a tax rate. So for example, we could do sales tax. Then you'll want to select the tax method and the rate percentage. Great. Now we're going to move to the menu section. Under menu, select Add a Category. Choose a category name. So for this example, maybe we'll do entrees. Choose an image. Or type in the URL. Then click Add. Next, we're going to add an item. So click Add Item. First, we're going to enter the details of the item. So we'll give it a name. And then we'll give it a price. So we'll say $12. Toggle this on if you want for the item to be tax exempt. Choose your category. Grab an image. So you can either drag your image or click Browse. So I'm going to go ahead and click Browse.
Hey, you know what they talk about?
Select my image. And then you want to give it an item description. So just for this example, maybe we'll say the most delicious burger you will ever have. Great, now we're going to move on to sizes. Here you decide the sizes of your items. You can add a name as well as a price for your size. If you do not wish to have any sizes, go ahead and leave that blank. So we're just going to do a lunch size and a dinner size. And we'll say the lunch is 12, and we'll say the dinner is 16. Next, we're going to move on to options. This is where you can add options to your menu item. So for this, maybe we'll do extra cheese, and we'll make it a $2 charge. And then if you want, you can check to allow the quantity. So maybe you only have so much cheese. So maybe for this, you'll put 50. And after that, you can't add it anymore. Next, we'll do add bacon. And we'll make that charge $3. And let's just say we have unlimited bacon. And then lastly, we're going to go to availability. You want to choose the availability of this item. So you can choose all locations or just your location specifically. And then if you want, you can choose a specific time. So maybe burgers are only offered, say, on Tuesday, Friday, and Saturday. And let's say they're going to be after noon on all those days. So you can make this really customizable. And then you're going to want to click Add. Next, we're going to move to the emails field. This is where you want to customize your confirmation email. First, you want to choose a subject. So for this example, we're already going to have new order has been placed. And then you've got your message template and your email objects. In the admin receipt, this is where you're going to want to add your admin email. So maybe put your email or whoever is in charge, put their email here, and they'll receive all the orders with the subject and the same information here. And this is the custom guides where you can format how individual items are displayed, the objects, and what each mean, but I would just keep it the same to make it simple. However, this is totally customizable. And lastly, click Extras. This is so you can connect to a Google Cloud printer. You can add a printer as well as previewing a widget. Great. Now you know how to set up the food ordering feature customizable. If you'd like to use one of these other options, all you have to do is put in your menu URL and it will upload all the food ordering services that you need. Great! You now know how to create the food ordering feature.